most devices, at least most smartphones, it only takes about, well, most of them under an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours tops, depending on really how busy we are. What we have seen a lot of times from people who want to do the repair themselves, they'll order the part online. It takes 2 or 3 days for it to arrive, and if they don't have any experience with the repair, it then takes several hours of watching videos and taking their phone apart in order to actually complete the repair. Whereas if you bring it into our shop, we typically have all the parts that we need in stock, and you can have your phone repaired and back to you in under an hour.